Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do the unboxing and have a first look at this OnePlus 7T. And it's a really long box, if you can see, and it says this is the OnePlus 7T. It's a accumulation of all our design and engineering efforts and crafted for those who, like us, always strive for the very best. A red colored box, and it says open here. I don't know why it says open here. It's nothing. Anyways, let's just open the seat. And guys, they have sent us the 8GB RAM variant that comes with 256GB of storage. There'll also be one more variant that comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. And guys, this is a review unit, so I don't know the exact pricing as of now, but when I know the pricing, I'll add that information in the description area. And just like other OnePlus devices in India, this will be sold via Amazon. So let's quickly just open this up and have a look. And now finally, this new OnePlus is having OnePlus 7T is going to have a triple camera setup at the back. And again, can't get over the fact that it's really tall box. Other OnePlus boxes used to be just this much. Anyways, so must be some bunch of paperwork, some invitation letter or something by Pete, a letter, and some stickers. Yes, OnePlus stickers and recycling stuff and all those things, and one more paper. So a lot of paperwork. Gives you a brief idea about the product. I'll keep that again to the side. And here is the device itself in this beautiful nice color. Actually, I'm liking it. It has a matte-ish feel towards the back. It's still glass, I know, but actually looks nice. And now the camera setup again is in that circular mode. Resembles the Motorola old phones, if you get it. But again, you like it or not, do let me know. Some people like it, some don't. Anyways, we'll come back to the device later, and let's see what else do we have in this. So this entire thing comes out, and a plastic TPU case is there in the box, transparent one, and again says OnePlus. So this is your SIM ejector tool. This is your Type-C cable, and I'm happy to announce that now instead of the dash charger that used to be about 20 watts, they are actually supplying the wrap charger, which is a 30-watt charger. So that's also there. So let me keep these things to the side, and we'll have a look at the OnePlus 7T itself. Let me keep that here. So here is the device itself, and this one is having a 6.55-inch screen. And let me give you a physical overview first. On the top here looks like a secondary noise cancellation microphone. These are for antennas, guys. And here we have the alert slider, volume rockers. Bottom will be the vent for the speaker, Type-C port. This is your SIM tray over here. Let's see. Again, this will be a dual SIM nano, but yeah, anyways, let's look at it. Yes, one over here, other over here. So no micro SD card slot, but that's been the case with the OnePlus all the time. And here we have the volume rocker. And back, if you look at it, here we have the triple camera setup. This is new. We also finally have a wide angle lens even on this one, just like the Pro had. So this is what you have. And this color again looks nice. And the front facing camera is here, doesn't pop up like the Pro. So let me just power it on, guys. And by the time it actually boots up and I set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. But before that, a word from the sponsor of this video, that is Mevi.in. This is Mevi Octave Bluetooth speaker. It is very loud and is perfect for your house parties. It gives a 16-watt output and has deep bass. It produces 360 degrees sound. Roam is an all-terrain speaker with a 5-watt output and is completely waterproof. It is very compact but has powerful sound. Both speakers have great battery life and have built-in mics to answer calls. Log on to Mevi.in and use the coupon code Geekyranjit to get special discount. See the link in the description below. This OnePlus 7T is having a 6.55-inch AMOLED screen that's a Full HD Plus in the 20:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by the new Snapdragon 855 Plus octa-core processor. It comes with 8GB of RAM, 128 or 256GB of storage. Moving to the cameras, it's a triple camera setup. 48 megapixel is the main. Then we have a 12x, that's a zoom, 2x, and we also have a 16 megapixel, that's ultra wide. Moving to the front facing camera, it's a 16 megapixel. It also has a 3800 milliamp hour battery with that fast wrap 30-watt charging. So guys, I've finished setting up this device, and again, as you can see, very clean layout. This is typical OnePlus that you're getting at it. Just the brightness a little bit, guys. much better, as you can see. So not a lot of bloatware that you are getting, just some OnePlus specific apps that you are getting. And again, I'm using the gesture navigation, hence you don't have the button over here. Otherwise you will get the virtual buttons. And if you go over here, the quick toggles and all the stuff. And again, Oxygen OS is typical, but I don't know why they don't give digital well-being. That is finally they added. It was not there in earlier OnePlus devices, so we have that. The good thing is that this one actually comes out of the box with Android 10. That's the latest version of Android, so that's actually really nice. So you're getting the latest version of Android, and again, that's the good thing about OnePlus. You don't have to worry about updates and all those things. And again, even the processor is the new Snapdragon 855 Plus. That's the latest one that has the prime core clocked at 2.96 gigahertz. So another thing is that now this one, if you go to the display, as you can see, the screen refresh rate is now, you can go up to 90 hertz. This was not possible earlier. It was just 60 hertz. So this is a big change that we have now on this one. Just like the Pro, you have 90 hertz. And what this means is that while you're just browsing and stuff, for example, a lot of text is there on Twitter and something, you scroll around, this is a lot more smoother. And also I feel because of the triple camera setup and that 90 hertz screen, these are the two new major changes that we are seeing on this OnePlus 7T. And let's check the in-display fingerprint scanner over here. And just like older OnePlus devices, it's actually really fast. And if you just pick it up, it should show like this, and there you have it. So no issues with the in-display fingerprint scanner. And I thought that the handset will be very, very heavy or something, because on paper this is 190 grams, but the weight balance has been done well on this one. And the big thing about this one is now that triple camera setup on this. So let's also have a look at the camera. So let's fire up this one and allow all the time. And this is the camera interface hasn't changed. This is typical OnePlus devices. So here you have the 2x. And now finally we also have the wide angle mode like this. As you can see how wide it went, and like this you have that, you can toggle between them. And so that's actually nice. So you have all these three modes, and apart from that we have that portrait on all those things that you expect. And now the portrait, I'm really liking it. You can even shoot the portrait in the regular mode. Earlier, like many phones force you to use the zoom, so you have both those options. So that's actually nice. And if you go to the front facing camera, again it's in the portrait, this is the regular photo. So I feel like the camera might be one of the biggest strengths of this one. Now has that all the focal lengths that you would expect. So let me do one thing. Let me actually show you some of the sample shots taken with this one. So these were taken with the rear facing camera. This was with the wide angle lens, and here in this picture I used the 2x zoom. Now also tried to take some close-up shots, and as you can see it did a very good job even in close-up shots. As you can see, the pictures came out to be really good. And again, these are some random shots that I took. Again, notice the detail that I was getting in the shots. It's really good. Now moving to human subject, this was the regular shot, and this was the portrait mode, and you can also zoom in the portrait mode. This was the zoom 1, and this was again a regular shot, and this was in the wide angle mode. And in the shot the exposure was a little bit off, as you can see, but here this is the portrait regular mode, and here I used the portrait in the zoom mode. Again, as you can see, it did a good job. Now moving to completely artificial lighting, here also as you can see it actually did a very good job. As you can see with these sample shots, these were completely in artificial lighting. Then also as you can see it did a good job. This was a normal shot, and this was with the wide angle lens. Again, as you can see, a close-up shot in artificial lighting. Now moving to human subjects, here also as you can see it did a good job, and this was with the wide angle lens in artificial lighting. And here I used the portrait mode, and here I used the portrait in the 2x zoom mode. And again, some more samples in the portrait mode, and as you can see it is doing actually a really good job. And again, this was the regular shot, and here I used the wide angle lens, and now with the regular portrait mode, and here I used the 2x portrait mode zoom. Now moving to front facing camera, these were some of the samples that I took. This was in the portrait mode, and now moving to artificial lighting, these were some of the samples that I took. I feel yes, it is doing a good job, but there is something slightly missing. Sometimes the exposure, as you can see in this shot in artificial lighting. Hopefully with the software update, this should actually improve. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this OnePlus 7T. So what do you guys think about this OnePlus 7T? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. And guys, do let me know what kind of videos do you want on this new OnePlus 7T. Do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.